I'm John. I'm a chartered engineer, and thanks for clicking on the gym maintenance training courses. I just wanted to say hello to you because there's a lot of misconception on the internet these days, a lot of fake news. Am I a real person? Yes, hello, here I am. You can also search me online and you'll be able to find my website, chartered-engineer.com, or indeed just search John, Jon, short for Jonathan, Jon Isaacs, Isaacs, chartered engineer, and you should be able to find me without any trouble at all. So I hope that first of all puts you at ease that I am a real person and this is a real gym maintenance training course, and it's not here to sort of fool you into giving out your credit card details or something weird. The most frequently asked questions I get about this course is how's it delivered? Well, how's it delivered? It's in person and it's also available online. How many hours is it? Well, it's broken down into 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. You can start as a complete beginner, but if you do level 1, 2, and 3 and become an expert by level 3, then you're looking at 30 hours of time. What does it cost? It's £85 an hour per delegate. So you can do the maths. The question is, where would you start? Where do you finish? Well, that's where we need to have a conversation. I can't answer that in the video because I need to know a little bit more about you. So if this is of interest, please reach out to me. Either send me a message and tell me, what you're thinking. Give me a little bit of an insight into why this is of interest to you, and I'll help direct you. Or send me an email. I'll put a link to the email at the bottom of this video, and you can just click on that and tell me as little about yourself or as much about yourself as you wish, and I will do my absolute best to guide you and direct you as to which direction might be best for you, where to start, where to finish. And if you want to proceed, well, then we can work out the details from there. So there you go. Enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you're doing, and hopefully we'll talk soon. All the best.